In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove e-commerce features in Webflow. If you've decided that your Webflow site no longer needs shopping functionality, the good news is that you can clean things up fairly quickly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to hide the cart and remove or hide the default e-commerce pages so your site feels more like a standard website again. Let's start by hiding the cart. First, open your project in the Webflow Designer. Once you are inside the designer, go to your header or navigation area and locate the cart icon or cart element. This is usually placed in the navbar, often near the menu or call to action button. Click to select the cart element. After that, you have two ways to hide it. You can open the element settings panel using the gear icon on the right, or go into the style panel and change the display setting to none. When display is set to none, the element is completely hidden from view on the page. This is useful because it removes the cart visually without requiring you to rebuild your navigation. If your site also has a separate cart button somewhere else, repeat the same process for that button as well. Make sure you check your header, navigation menu, and any other areas where a cart button may have been added, so everything stays consistent across the site. Next, let's take care of the e-commerce pages. Open the Pages panel by clicking the Pages icon on the left side of the designer. In this panel, look for the default system-generated e-commerce pages, including products, category, cart, checkout, and order confirmation. Click on each of these default pages and delete the ones that Webflow allows you to remove. In some cases, certain pages may not be deletable. If that happens, open the page settings by clicking the gear icon next to the page name. Then turn off Enable Indexing. This helps hide those pages from search engines, so they are less likely to appear in search results. You may also see a custom code section for page-level settings. Keep in mind that access to some of these options may require a paid Webflow plan. If available, you can also add a meta noindex tag there as another way to prevent indexing. After you've hidden the cart and cleaned up the e-commerce pages, it's a good idea to preview your site and double-check that no storefront elements are still visible. That way, your site will look polished and intentional. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.